Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix God of War Ragnarok error insufficient VRAM or required D3d12 feature not supported. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to download the mod file and paste it in the game's directory. To do this, check my video description for this link used in my video. Just need to scroll down. VRAM recommend bypass. Just scroll down under description, select files. Now under main files, if you have the GPU model GTX 1060 or RTX 3050, then you need to download it by selecting manual download. If you not have this GPU model, then you just need to select 6 GB RAM under manual download. Scroll down, you just need to log in to download this file. Select login here. If you don't have account, then you just need to create it. Select register here. Type your email and select verify email. And now you get the verification to your email address. Type the code. After typing the code, select verify email. And now you can able to create username and password. Select create account. After creating the account, you just need to select slow download option. And it will start downloading. After getting download and select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to copy the files. Just right click on it and select copy it. After copying the files, you just need to navigate to the games directory and paste these files. To do this, you just need to launch the Epic Games or Steam wherever your game is installed. Right click on the game and select properties. Select installed files and select browse. After navigating the game's directory, you just need to paste the files. Just right click on the blank area and select paste it. After pasting the files in the game's directory, now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.